Hi FMA! I love doing our lesson today with Nicole and some of our teachers and friends learning about the parts of the flower today. You can see I have my Friend of Old Woman Creek shirt on, and this is a flower that grows in water. It's a water lotus, very special plant. Kermit here, he's got a fake flower. Somebody made this into a pen. And this is a composite flower. Look at all those yellow petals. Then I also brought my live flower today. This is my orchid. Beautiful. And I've had it for a few years. And what's funny is, look at all these roots. They're in the soil, but they're all growing out of the pot into the air as well. So some plants, their roots are exposed, like the orchid. And then I also have my dried flowers. I gathered these off my bush, and they have a regular flower shape. See the petals? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. So they were white when they were alive, and in the fall, they're dried. So this is my dried flower bouquet. I like to keep that on my piano. Well, I thought to start off our week about botanical plants. I have this special book when I was a child. It's called the Berenstain Bears Nature Guide. This is a bear family, and gosh, when I was a kid, there was a TV show, there was books. When we went to Cedar Point, it wasn't Snoopy Land. It was the Berenstain Bear forest. In their house. So a lot of things have changed, but I've always really enjoyed the Berenstain Bears. So I wanted to read to you some actual facts about the world of plants. What a plant can do and what it can't. You can visit your friends and watch TV. A plant can't. You can jump a puddle and climb a tree. A plant can't. So here's Brother Bear and Sister Bear telling us what plants can do and cannot do. You can also read and write. A plant can't even fly a kite. But there are things plants can do that you and I could never do. Gosh, there are all kinds of rhyming words in this book. All kinds. When water rushes through your yard in very rainy weather, all the grass roots underground hold the soil together. In places where you have no lawn, you may find the soil is gone. Yeah, plants really help to decrease flooding when it rains. They soak up all that water. Plants are food for us to eat. Every cabbage, bean, and beet, all the rice and corn and wheat. And in a way, plants help make meat. Look at chickens, they feed on grain and seed. Have a drumstick. Yes, indeed. Gosh, plants even provide a lot of food for us. Some of us are planting gardens outside. Pretty soon there'll be a lot of healthy food at our local markets. Very excited for that. Plants are also very good at making different kinds of wood. The wood for houses, boats, and skis come from different kinds of trees. Yeah, trees are very important plants for us. They also give us fresh air, huh? Even clothes can come from plants, like jeans and cotton underpants. Plants help make the air we breathe. They make a gas called oxygen, the gas we use when breathing in. Plants need a gas called carbon dioxide, which they get from me and you. We breathe out carbon dioxide. That's something we can think about as we are breathing in and out. So next time you meet a plant, remember what a plant can do is more important than what it can't. That is very true. important to think of things plants and us can do. I'm going to stop right there, and I'm going to read the next section on a different video. All right. Thanks for joining me.